If you manage workflows and tasks in Google Workspace, your job is going to get a whole lot easier with this new Gemini App Script update. Google just brought Gemini directly into the Google App Script side panel. Gemini reads your open file, grasps your goals, and writes, updates, or fixes code right inside your App Script editor. In this video, we're going to use Gemini in App Script to create several real-world examples, from extracting data in Sheets, sending a mail merge, even creating PDFs and emailing those to customers. So let's dive right in. First, let's make sure you're set up to use it. To access the Gemini side panel, you'll need an eligible Google Workspace plan, and your Workspace administrator must have Gemini features turned on in the admin console. To launch Gemini, open your script project, like clicking Extensions and App Script inside Google Sheets, and then click the Gemini Spark icon on the top right panel. Let's start with a foundational admin task, reading and filtering data from a spreadsheet. Suppose you maintain a sheet of client invoices and want to extract only the overdue accounts. Simply ask Gemini, write a function that reads the invoices sheet, filters for rows where status is overdue, and logs the details. Give Gemini a few moments to process this, and then notice how Gemini inserts the code directly into the active editor using Diff view, highlighting additions in green. Click Accept All and hit Run, and Gemini handles all the array filtering and range reading behind the scenes. Okay, now let me show you a classic Office admin essential, a mail merge. Instead of writing manual loops, ask Gemini, read the names and emails from the active sheet. For each row, with status pending, send a personalized email via Gmail, update the status column to sent. Gemini then writes cross-app code that bridges Spreadsheet app and Gmail app. It even handles status tracking, so you don't actually send the email to the same client twice. When you run your AI-generated code for the first time, Google will of course prompt you to authorize the standard OAuth permissions. Just review and approve them to launch your mail merge. Now for a truly powerful admin workflow, automated document generation and dispatch. If you need to draft custom contracts, certificates, or invoices based on raw data, you can ask Gemini to orchestrate 4 Workspace apps at once. So this time, I'm going to ask Gemini to iterate through approved rows in Sheets, replace template placeholders in the Google Doc, export it as a PDF to Google Drive, and email that PDF as an attachment to the client. Gemini then builds the entire multi-step system, fetching the template, substituting variable tags, converting file blobs to PDF, and sending out the email. What used to require hours of manual scripting now happens in seconds. And one of the features I really like is when things don't go according to plan, Gemini has a built-in one-click debugging. So let's take a look at this script. If I run it, it throws a red type error in my execution log because I made an invalid function call on a text string. Instead of troubleshooting line by line, I just click Fix with Gemini right inside the console log. Gemini reads the stack trace, explains exactly why it broke, and provides a corrected code diff ready to apply. But before we finish up, just keep these few guidelines in mind as you build. Firstly, file context. Gemini works on the currently open active file in your editor. Secondly, remember that proposed code changes are accepted or rejected as a single block. And lastly, if you need to reference external files in your prompts, include their direct Google Drive URL. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, then please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.